Herbal medicine is at a crossroads. The pandemic has stimulated a real increase in the use of natural medicines worldwide. But will it last? Or will it be diverted by a new campaign by the pharmaceutical medicine? As we struggle to meet the global challenge of antibiotic resistance, including the long-term damage antibiotics have done to our natural immune system, are we now about to deliver a further potentially irreversible damage to our immune system via a pharmaceutical model which is now interfering at the deepest level with the genetic code fundamental to our evolution? Herbal Apothecary has been manufacturing herbal medicines for over 30 years. The pandemic has found us at a crossroads too. Should we focus on just supplying demand or on proactively creating our own herbal future by exploring ways in which we can become an effective and radical part of this future? We've decided to work for the future. We began our journey with a complete audit of our organization's own health and purpose. And we've explored not just our economic well-being, but our social and cultural and spiritual well-being. That is, whether we have a clear, truthful and meaningful purpose, and whether those who make up the Herbal Apothecary community feel positive, connected and related to what we're doing. At Herbal Apothecary, we've created a new college of directors, mostly young people with a stake in the business. Our young team includes a high-level research group, a new intelligent production and quality group, community developments, and a much expanded digital communications group to get our message out into the world.
Herbal Apothecary is working with Threes Company, an idea developed by our CEO and the founder of Nature's Laboratory, James Fernley. Threes Company recognises that all organisations, including what we call businesses, have a three-dimensional life. In the case of businesses, they do not just have an economic life, but a social life, in the sense of how they relate, work and support each other as a community. They also have a cultural and spiritual life in terms of what they experience as their common purpose or mission. We have audited how we operate in each of these three areas and are working as consciously as possible to ensure that these three equally important elements remain in balance, producing as far as is possible a healthy, balanced business. Our herbal future is dependent on the following key areas.
Research is at heart of our work here at Herbal Apothecary. Over the years, we have invested in laboratory equipments which allow us to undertake our own research and testing. We have high-level research team which includes 2 PhD chemists and a professor of pharmacy. As well as in-house expertise, we also work collaboratively with several UK universities and other national and international research organizations. Of course, research can provide a scientific rationale for a particular product, but it is vital that the product itself is of a sufficient quality, and the process begins by selecting high quality raw ingredients.
We source our raw materials from trusted ethical suppliers here in the UK as well as in Europe, India and America. When raw ingredients arrive with us, they are put through a comprehensive quality control process. This ensures the ingredients which enter our production processes meet all the relevant national and international standards. We pay particular attention to testing all our ingredients to ensure both authenticity and quality.
At Herbal Apothecary, we produce a wide range of products for herbal practitioners. As well as producing our own range, we also create products for other businesses. We want to share our manufacturing expertise with practitioners and clinics who would like to create their own unique products for their customers. So you might want something as straightforward as a single herb tincture, or perhaps as complex as a 10 herb blend. Now we can advise on formulation and help with testing and samples if required. And you can choose from a wide range of packaging and labelling options. It's easier than you might think to get started, because we've created an online product calculator so that you can get a ballpark figure for your product before taking your inquiry further. And here's John to explain a bit more about that.
The product calculator makes it easy for anyone to get a price for a herbal product of their own design. To get started, choose from the 4 main product options, then define your formulation using our extensive range of tinctures, fluid extracts, cut herbs and powders. Once you've selected your packaging options, you can enter the number of units you'd like to order, and the calculator will give you a price which includes both raw ingredients, production costs and packaging. To take your inquiry further, simply submit your details and Tom will give you a call back to discuss your requirements.
One of the key area of our business is herbal tinctures and fluid extract production. Over the year, we have refined our techniques and even built specialist equipments to help us produce the high quality product our practitioners need. Now we are taking this process a step further. We are beginning a series of scientific experiments with the aim of determining the best possible extraction process for tinctures and fluid extracts.
At Herbal Apothecary, we are committed to scientific research. We want to uncover the secrets of herbal remedies and create products which have proven benefit. Our new production vessels will allow us to monitor various aspects of the production process, including the exact length of time a product is in production, as well as the amount of fluid circulated through the raw herb. Our purpose-built technology will continuously send data back to our bespoke production management system, allowing us to monitor everything in real time. Paired with Shanker's ability to test our products for key chemical compounds, we'll be able to create the highest quality tinctures and extracts available.
We've recently launched a new tool which allows practitioners to get instant access to detailed information about the products we supply. Look out for labels which contain a QR code on our bottles and also our packets and herbs and powder blends. These codes can be scanned using a smartphone, making it easy for you to download a copy of the certificate of analysis for the specific batch of product you're using. These documents contain the key information such as the date of manufacture, country of origin and the results of any tests performed on the product. Here's Chris to explain a bit more about our commitment to traceability.
We're always committed to the traceability of our products. Our new production management system means greater accuracy of records, and shortly, using QR codes, we'll be able to trace every raw ingredient from its arrival at the factory right through production and all the way to the customer. We'll see which ingredients went to which customers and trace specific batch numbers right back to the supplier.
At Herbal Apothecary, we work hard to provide excellent customer service. We regularly review the products we produce to ensure we're offering a range which reflects the needs of our customers. We've recently improved the speed and user-friendliness of our website, and we now have the capacity to undertake projects like this in-house, which means we can respond more quickly to the needs of our customers. And as always, myself and Angela in the sales office are always here to take your call and handle any inquiries you might have.
Herbal Apothecary is an active and supportive part of a family of social and cultural initiatives. The dispensary is a natural health shop and community bakery in Whitby, run on not-for-profit lines. The dispensary supports, encourages and initiates projects which promote future health. That is health which is not just physical and economic, but also social, such as healthy relationships, and cultural and spiritual, where individuals are free to develop their own personal artistic and cultural identity. The Bee Ark is another project that has grown out of the Herbal Apothecary and Nature's Laboratory. It promotes greater understanding and research into honeybees and the incredible contribution that they make to our environment and economy, to our agriculture, food supply and medicines, but also to our social and spiritual life.
We believe that true health rests firmly on a healthy immune system, and that our immune system is three-dimensional. It's not just physical and environmental, it's social, how we relate to others, and it's cultural and spiritual, how we find meaning for our life. Health, in a very real sense, is an immunity community. It's a coming together, a kind of sticking together which produces overall well-being. The Herbal Apothecary is building this immunity community of health through the way we run our business and the way we build relationships, partnerships with our practitioners, our suppliers, our local community and our wider national and international community.
Herbal Apothecary is continually exploring ways in which it can work together with those upon whom we depend. We work directly with practitioners through professional associations like the National Institute of Medical Herbalists and many of the other natural practitioner organisations who use herbal medicine. We work closely with other herbal suppliers and the British Herbal Medicine Association to continually improve our quality. We're currently developing the Herb Mark, which will help all manufacturers be recognised as producing high quality products. We work closely with universities carrying out research into herbal medicine and where possible bring researchers together to better coordinate collaborations.
We're working hard to communicate our message. Please visit our website at herbalapothecaryuk.com where you can find out more about the products we produce and the research we're undertaking. You can sign up for our mailing list to stay informed and follow us on social media where you can join in the ongoing discussion around the future of herbal medicine. It's clear that in a world facing increasingly complex health issues, there is a real need for effective herbal medicines which support the body's normal immune function. Herbal Apothecary is taking steps to ensure that the herbal medicines we produce are of the highest quality and backed by credible scientific research. We're committed to supporting the work of medical herbalists. Let's step forward into the future of herbal medicine together.
At Herbal Apothecary, we're literally grasping the nettle. We've made a commitment to being a proactive part of our herbal future. Look out for our soon-to-be published Immunity Community magazine and contact us if you want to join us in creating our herbal future.